Let's talk about the latest launched ITEL smartphone S24 with pioneering artistic design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch-hole dynamic bar display. Resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 84.1% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 480 nits local peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel Samsung HM6 ISOCELL 3x in sensor zoom main camera, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ITEL OS 13 screen. On top the device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 Plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G91 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 4 GB, 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable through dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 8.3 mm thickness, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options starry black, dawn white with color changing, coastline blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL S24 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 23,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 25,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 27,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ITEL S24 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.